The truth about vaccination. What they're not telling you. Full documentary. They say vaccines save lives. They say they're safe and effective. But if that's true, why do so many questions remain unanswered? Why do some people suffer life-altering reactions? Why are certain voices silenced? Whistleblower speaks out. Are we being told the whole truth? This is the story they don't want you to hear. The truth is out there, but will you find it? The science of vaccines. What we know. A virus enters the bloodstream, white blood cells respond, and antibodies form to fight it. Vaccines are designed to train your immune system. A weakened or inactive virus is introduced to your body, triggering a response that creates immunity without you ever getting sick. It's a brilliant concept, and in many cases, it works. The eradication of smallpox, the decline of polio, scientists celebrating medical breakthroughs. This is what we've been told. That vaccines are the reason these diseases disappeared. That without them, humanity would be in danger. But here's what they don't tell you. A document labeled Vaccine Injury Reports appears. The hidden risks. My son was perfectly healthy. He was meeting all his milestones. But after his vaccination, something changed. He stopped talking. He stopped making eye contact. The doctors told me it was a coincidence. But I know my child. Something happened that stories like these are dismissed as rare, or worse, conspiracy theories. But how rare are they? Really? Reported adverse reactions in the past decade, 250. Zero Jaun. Severe neurological complications, 50 Jaun. Government compensation payouts, 4.3 billion. Governments around the world have paid out billions to families who suffered vaccine-related injuries. Yet, these cases are rarely discussed in the media. Why? Whistleblower, I've seen the studies. Some reactions are dismissed because they don't fit the narrative. If a child has a seizure after a vaccine, they call it unrelated. If an adult develops chronic illness, they say it's genetic, but the patterns are there. They just don't want you to see them. What else are they hiding? Pharmaceutical industry, profits over people. The name Pfizer vaccines are a 60 billion a year industry. Pharmaceutical companies have everything to gain from mass vaccination programs. But what happens when profits become more important than safety? The opioid crisis, where companies knowingly pushed addictive painkillers onto the public. We've seen it before. When drug companies lied about opioids, it cost hundreds of thousands of lives. But when it comes to vaccines, we're supposed to trust them completely? Formal pharmaceutical executive. Clinical trials don't always tell the whole story. Sometimes negative results are buried. Sometimes scientists who speak out are blacklisted. The goal isn't just public health. It's control. It's profit. Whistleblower found dead after exposing Big Pharma. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's a business model. The government's role. Are we really in control? Governments tell us these vaccines are thoroughly tested, that they're 100% safe, but history tells a different story. The Tuskegee experiment, where African American men were deliberately left untreated for syphilis in a government study. Agent Orange, a chemical that was safe until thousands of soldiers developed cancer. If the government has lied before, what makes us think they wouldn't do it again? History repeats itself. The question is, are we paying attention? They say without vaccines, disease will return. But if vaccines are the answer, why do outbreaks still happen in vaccinated populations? Why do some diseases mutate faster than we can keep up? The ultimate question, do we have a choice? At the end of the day, The choice should be yours. No one should be forced to take a medical treatment they don't trust. No one should be silenced for asking questions. Make informed decisions. Demand transparency. Seek the truth. They don't want this video seen. This video will be censored. They don't want it reaching you. But you have the power to change that. Subscribe. We need 100 new subscribers to keep uncovering the truth. Are you in? Comment below. What do you think? Should we expose more? Share this video. Send it to 3 friends. Make sure they see this before it disappears. Truth cannot be silenced. More is coming. Now, turn on notifications. The next story will change everything.